Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker and the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for home use, parties, and camping. In this video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and usability to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. The SMU Countertop Ice Maker produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Antarctic Star produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This slight difference in production rate can be significant during high-demand situations, making the SMUG a better option for those who need ice quickly. When it comes to portability, the Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker is lighter at 12.65 pounds compared to the SMUG's 15.4 pounds. This makes the Antarctic Star easier to transport, especially for camping trips or small apartments where space is limited. The Antarctic Star is marketed as a library quiet machine, operating at less than 40 decibels, making it ideal for quiet environments. In contrast, the SMUG does not specify its noise level, which may be a consideration for users sensitive to sound. In conclusion, both the SMUG and Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Makers offer great value at $69.99. The SMUG excels in speed with its higher ice production rate, while the Antarctic Star stands out for its lightweight design and quiet operation. Depending on your priorities, either machine could be the perfect addition to your kitchen or outdoor adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.